Hello, everyone. My name is Holly Gabriel, and I'm a librarian at Hannon Library. Today, I'd like to share a few helpful tips regarding how to find civil cases that you can use in your class assignments. The Nexis Uni database is a great database for finding business and legal resources, so I'll go ahead and click on that hyperlink here. As you notice at the top of the page, this database includes a lot of different news articles, company information, market insight, biographies of business leaders, and legal resources. Since I'm looking for civil cases, I'll go ahead and click on legal. Now you can see here in the middle of the page that we can explore different content types, including cases, statutes and legislation, as well as other types like legal news. If I click on the I next to one of these content types, I can find out more information. For example, cases includes all available federal and state case law, including U.S. Supreme Court cases. I'll go ahead and close this, and I'll go ahead and click on the category type cases. Now is when I can enter my search topic. In this demonstration, I'm going to use tobacco companies as an example to find civil cases. So I'll go ahead and type that. And then hit my search icon on the right side of the page. As you see in the search results here, you'll notice that this database highlights my search terms, which can be helpful to see where they are in the overview or the summary of each case. The database also lists the party name here for each case in blue letters, as well as the court where the case appeared. For this case, example number 1 was in the Court of Appeal of Florida First District. It also includes an overview of each case, except not all cases have a short overview like the ones displayed here. At this point, I can scroll through my search results to kind of get a sense of what types of cases are being shown about tobacco companies. I can also notice at the top left of the page that my search results include over 10,000 cases. So this would be a good time to filter my search using either another additional keyword or perhaps a timeline if I'm looking for the most recent cases. I'm going to go ahead and use additional search terms. For example, I'm interested in youth marketing of tobacco companies. So on the left-hand side, I'll use an additional search term here. I'll type in youth marketing. And I'm putting that term in quotation marks so that the database searches that as one term rather than just youth in general. Now I can hit my search icon and see I have 123 cases regarding tobacco companies and youth marketing. Let's take a look at a couple of these different cases. For example, Cleary versus Philip Morris. I can click on that case to learn more about it. For example, I can learn the core terms of this case. You'll see youth here, as well as the Philip Morris Tobacco Company. I can go back to my landing page. Let's take a look at some of the other filters on the left-hand side of the page. Under practice areas, I can click that down arrow and find out different practice areas. Now I know I'm looking for civil law, and so I would not want to click on this category of criminal law and procedures, but the other practice areas listed appear to be civil cases. I'm going to click on public health and welfare law to find examples of those civil cases. So here I now have 20 cases that are related to tobacco companies, youth marketing, and public health. I can click on one to learn more like I did before. This is the same one that came up in my last search. And if I know that this is one that I want to use for my assignment, I can find the citation information for this case. I can click on the box next to the number that I want to find the citation. And then near the top here, I have these different icons to print the case or to email the case to myself. And the last icon here is export citations. Click on that icon to get common citation formats, APA, Blue Book, Chicago style, or MLA style. I'll click there. I'd like to view the citation on my screen. And with these four choices, I'll select APA citation style and click View. Now I can copy and paste this citation into my working document. Please remember that this is computer generated and might have errors, so you'll want to check this information to verify that it looks correct. Close that. So that is an example of how to find civil cases by a topic area. One last thing to remember is that once you have a party name in a case that you're interested in, you can find news articles about that case. I'll go ahead and highlight the party name here of that first case, and then I'll go up to the top left of the page and click the database's logo. Here I can start a new search, and I'll click on News at the top of the page, and I'll paste in my company name. You can see the different types of news sources that are included in this database, and then I'll hit the search icon. You'll see I have 13 search results, different news articles or news wires. You can see the source. This one's from the London Stock Exchange, but you can see the different sources. Hopefully this will provide additional helpful information. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions. My contact information is listed here on the library's research guide for legal topics, and I'm happy to help with any of your questions. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you have a great day.